Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the quick and simple steps to copy someone's Instagram profile link, keeping things clean and up to date with how the app looks today. First things first, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to navigate. Once you're in, head to the profile of the account you want to link to. You can search for their username in the search tab or tap through from a comment or message if you've seen their profile recently. When you found the right profile, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. That small menu button holds a few handy options. Tap on those 3 dots to reveal more actions you can take for that profile. In the menu that appears, you'll see several choices depending on your device and app version. Look for the option labeled Copy Profile URL. It's the one that saves a direct link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you needed a message, a note, or a post. After selecting Copy Profile URL, the link is copied to your clipboard. You can confirm by trying a quick paste into a Notes app or a messaging thread to make sure you grab the right link. If you ever need to share the profile later, you can repeat these steps for the same account or copy another one entirely. A quick tip: if you don't see Copy Profile URL right away, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. App updates can shift tiny UI details, and keeping the app current ensures you have the exact labeling and location for that option. If you're working on a shared device, remember that the link is copied to the clipboard of that device, so you'll need to paste it there. That's all there is to it. 3 small taps to get a profile URL exactly as you want it. With this link saved, you can easily reference the account in messages, comments, or anywhere you share content online.